Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make Oreo mug cake. It's very easy to make and can be ready within few minutes. So let's get started. In a mug cake you will add your butter and you will melt this into the microwave for about 30 seconds. You will add in your vanilla, sugar, milk and egg yolk. Mix this using a small fork. Now add your baking powder and all-purpose flour. Mix this until incorporated. Now it's time to add your Oreo cookie crumbs. Fold them into the mixture and make sure that they are well combined. You will need to microwave these for 60 to 90 seconds on medium power. The top should look set when it's done. Our mug cake just came out of the microwave and it looks amazing. You can add some whipped cream on top and some Oreo cookie crumbs. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.